When I look at where I'm coming from, I know I'm blessed.
What's up, guys? It's the boy Uzu, and we're back again with another video. So, this is a new video for me. I'm super excited about it because I got the brand new MacBook Air. I'm so excited about it. I wanted to do an unboxing video. I've had it for about 2 weeks now. I was supposed to do the video so long ago, but here we go. Yeah. So I bought it about 2 weeks ago. I'm pretty excited about it. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's up here. I like the way Apple just gives you like everything Apple. The bag is Apple. The case is Apple. I don't know if you guys can see it. Ooh. 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 Yeah, but you guys can see it. MacBook Air. Let's get into it. So, first off, let me just read what's on the back. MacBook Air, 13 inches, 8-core CPU. I don't read the instructions, however, but I'm gonna read it for you guys today. All right, so it's a 13-inch display. It has up to about 64 gigabyte memory storage space. It goes up to 2 terabyte if you add the add-ons. Now, it was very pricey, I'm gonna be honest with you, but by using a previous MacBook, I'm gonna show you that one. This is the one that I've been using. It's about 7-8 years old. There's nothing wrong with it, still works fine. But this was the one who made me decide to, hey, buy a new MacBook. Love it. Not gonna lie, it's very durable. No, I can't hide my excitement. I'm just all over the place, if you know what I'm trying to say. Let's get to the unboxing. Alright, so yeah guys, I couldn't find the knife. I took it up earlier trying to, prepare for this video. I had a lot of stuff prepared and I don't know where I put them. Lost in the excitement. So I found this tool. And I have no idea what it does, but it looks like an unboxer. So let's get to it. And I'm gonna just, believe it or not, it's cutting it, it's working. I'm playing, it's not working. But they have a lid right here where you can just pull. Open it. So I guess you just shimmy it. I don't want to break it. I'm the type of person, when I get something new, I take a while to open it. It's so weird. But like whenever I buy something new, I get a gift, I take like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, sometimes even a year. I've had gifts from when I was in high school that I haven't opened. Seriously. I don't know why, it's just what I do. I had this for 2 weeks and I haven't touched it at all. Let's see the setup. I don't want to break it. Am I doing this right? I don't know if I'm doing this right. I think I'm doing this right. Yes, I'm doing this right. I'm doing. Oh, wait. No. Oh, they got me. They got me. They got me, yo. They got me. Oh, I'm doing it right. I'm doing it right. You know, I chose this color. I don't know if you guys can see it because of the light, but this is actually the dark gray I wanted mine to be a little bit different. They had three colors. They had the white, they had the regular standard gray, and they had this darkish color. I love this color. And besides, the lady that was selling it, I mean, from the Apple store, she was saying that, you know, this one doesn't show the dirt or something like that. Like if you get ketchup on it or anything, you can just wipe it off and it doesn't show the stain. So that's why I chose this color. It's pretty light. But there's one thing though she pointed out that I had to say in this video is that, let me finish showing you guys what's in the box. Apple logo, designed by Apple. Can you see it? Can you see it? Yes, you can see it. It's designed by Apple in California. It comes with the standard charger. I don't know what's in this. Oh, the adapter. So this is the base model. As you guys can see, it's the base model. I didn't have any upgrades to it. It was a standard $1,000 for it. It's very pricey, but I think in the end it's worth it. If you wanted to add anything to it, like the pen, more storage, the laptop, the keyboard. If you want additional keyboard, if you want additional mouse, that was a bit more pricey. And what Apple did this year about it was they add something different to the laptop. So let me just pause. Oh shit. I just opened it and it came right on. But what I wanted to do, guys, I wanted to show you guys that Apple's getting really smart, you know? Apple's getting really, really smart. Alright, I'll do the setup later. But giving you a closer look at how it actually looks.
Use English as the main language. Press the return key.
Oh, I'm not ready for you, Apple. Just calm down. Alright, so what they did was they did something that was very, very smart. For them, at least. So, you know, Apple really makes money by selling you guys, you know, the add-ons. The add-ons are what makes money. Say, for example, the new AirPods, the storage, the keyboard, the Apple pens, the watches. That's what really makes them the money. So what they did was, if you look at this laptop, it has the charging port, the USB, the headphones, the memory chip, another USB, and the HDMI port, which this is the substitute for the HDMI port, but you know what I'm saying. What they did with this version is they took out most of that. So what they gave you the charging port, this charging port, and other USB, you know, the newer model cards that they use for the iPhone 12 and 13. So they gave you two of these. They didn't give you no USB. They didn't give you no USB ports. They didn't give you the memory chip. They took all of that away from the computer. And just to let you buy this little piece. No, this is not the original because hell, there's no way I was gonna buy the original. The original was about $100 and something, and I was like, So let me open up this bad boy real quick to show you what I'm talking about. Just give me a second. This is taking forever. All right. Just give me a few more seconds. You know. And 3, 2, 1. Yeah, we got it. The extension, right? So what you do is, if you need to add like a mouse, or you need to add a USB, or you need to add the HDMI port, I had to buy this part. I bought it off Amazon. This is the cheap one. It was about $16 to $20. The Apple part for this was about $100 or $120. I was like, there's no way. And they try to sell you it as an add-on. I'm not fighting out Apple or anything and telling them how to make their money, but you know, this is $16 compared to $100. So if you wanna do an add additional devices, you have to buy this piece from them. So it goes in here like that. So that's where you have the USB, HDMI, and the additional port. So yeah, but I like it. I love the color. I haven't started fooling around with it as yet. As you can see, I just opened it out of the box. Yeah, the screen looks awesome though. The resolution is a lot different. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna fool around with it a little bit. I'll see you guys on the next time. Where are my manners? I forgot to say it. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, guys. We're almost at that 1,000 subscribers. I think we're at 978. It's talking to me. I didn't say anything. It's talking to me.
If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the escape key.
I didn't say anything to it. But anyways, remember to like, share, and subscribe, guys. I'm almost there. Just a couple more. Thank you so much for patience, guys. Peace out.